Audit documentation. What is audit documentation? The record of audit procedure performed, relevant audit evidence obtained, and conclusion of the auditor are reached. Terms as working papers and working list. We can have it in the this audit documentation. Audit documentation where the audit documentation is 230. Yes, 230 also says audit documentation. Audit evidence also said been audit evidence also been said. But now problem is the audit documentation record of audit process performed. Record what they do, they will do an audit, as they will do an they will do an audit. In that audit, what they will do, they will plan, then they will perform, they will collect evidence, then they will conclude. These are the things that they will do in the audit. So these are the documents they need to collect. That document is audit evidence. So the record of audit procedure performed, relevant audit evidence obtained, and conclusion the auditor reached, terms as audit working papers and working papers, working papers also same, work papers also same, something being used. So this has been said as an audit documentation.